Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix a marathon error, WEASEL error W8:8:800900305, server connection error, error code BEAGLE or error code Plum on PC. So here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the marathon server status. You can go to this marathon website. You can also check the X web page, or you can also check the marathon subreddit in the Reddit website. So you can go to the marathon official website and then go to the news sections and check. You can also check the marathon X web page, and you can also go to the subreddit of marathon in the Reddit website. And if you find that the server status is offline, having outage or under maintenance, then you have to wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check. Now if the server status is online and if still you are facing the server connection error or any of the error code, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app to control folder access. Click as to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Now open the marathon game folder. And then select the marathon exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Now again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and then select marathon launcher and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back and then click on firewall and network protection and then click on allow an app through firewall and then click on change settings and then click on allow another app and then click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, common folder, and then open the marathon game folder and select the marathon exe file and then click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse and then select marathon launcher and then click open and then click on add. In my case it is also added. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked and then click on OK to save changes. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then you can allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well and then you can check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 2 is to run the game as an administrator. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. So right click on this marathon exe file and then select run as administrator and this will launch the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to restart your Wi-Fi router or modem and then check. Fix 4 is to switch internet connection. So if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. Fix 5 is to flush a DNS. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click as to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type these 3 code one by one and then hit enter. I will provide this code in my video description so that you can easily copy and paste it. So copy the first code and here paste it and then hit enter. Copy the second code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the third code and paste it over here and then hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and tasks. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi and then click on properties. And then select the internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Now tick mark, use the following DNS server addresses and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon game and then select properties go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And the last solution is to try VPN. So you can connect to a VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare, etc. and then check. You can download the free version of this VPN and then launch it and then connect to different location than your current location and then check. Now if you're already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve marathon error, a WEASEL error, W=8:800900305, server connection error, error code BEAGLE or error code Plum on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.